guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own polygel. Before I do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Simply Cutie. Thank you so much for commenting, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. And now we are going to get straight on to this video. So I'm going to be doing the cuticle oil method because it's my first time making and using polygel, and I feel like if it's gonna be bad I can just pop it off, you know. So first I'm rubbing some oil on my nails because then the nails won't stick and they will easily pop off. And it's great for practice too if you want to practice. Next I'm going to apply a gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Now that it's dry, we can move on. Because I'm doing a sort of home supply kind of video, I made these tips by cutting a plastic bottle. But if you have actual tips, I recommend you use that. So I just filed it inside so it will stick to my nail better. I am just gonna shape the tips a little bit. So by the way, I'm not actually gonna have them this long. I'm just gonna trim it down when it's actually on my nail. So I'm just gonna attach these using gel top coat. You can use nail glue if you like. Now I'm trimming down the length. Okay guys, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. We're making the polygel now. So you are gonna need some kind of gel polish. It can be any color you like. And then we're gonna add cornstarch to it until it's thick. It will actually have like some kind of polygel consistency, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know about you guys. Now I'm applying a gel base coat to my natural nail part.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So here I have some acetone. I'm gonna use this as my slip solution. I think you're supposed to use rubbing alcohol, but I don't have that. I mean, it worked for this method, so basically dip the brush in your solution, grab some of the gel and start moving it around on your fingers. I'm not a professional, so I'm probably doing this wrong. This polygel was a little bit sticky, So I did end up adding a little more cornstarch to it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
At this point, I kind of got used to it, so it was easier to work with. And then I cured for 2 minutes. And look, it actually cured. I mean, this was solid. Now I'm wiping them with acetone so that I can start filing and buffing.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now I'm just gonna paint it with the gel polish. And I did add some crystals to my ring finger. And here was the final look. And I never used polygel before, but I think it came out pretty good. Comment down below about what you think of my first attempt. I actually do recommend it. I mean, you only need cornstarch and gel polish, guys. That's so cheap. And it's actually fun to do, you know. I am gonna pop them off now. By the way, you can only pop them off if you did the cuticle oil method. Otherwise, you just have to file it down and soak them off. As you can see, there's literally no damage. Thank you so much for over 4,000 subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!